Now we have seen different programs wherein we have used integer data type, character data type, float data type, etc. Now here we are supposed to use mixed data type. Okay, and for that, in one single statement scanf, we are supposed to read that data. So for that, we are creating one program. We have included standard input output.h header file in our program. Now main function, then scope of main function. Here we are going to use different variable with different data types. Now here integer roll number is having integer data type, character data type grade that will accept only single character, and name is having character data type but maximum 30 characters are allowed, so we have used array here, array of characters. Then float data type and percentage is variable name. Float data type, percentage is variable name. Now we are going to give user the statement enter roll number, grade, name and percentage, so that user will enter details in this form. So now in one single scanf statement we are going to read all these values. Now first value user is supposed to give for roll number, and roll number is integer data type. So here the first one is %d space, second value is for grade, and grade is character data type. So %c, that is for character format specification. Name is in string. Okay, so even if it is having character data type, we are supposed to use here %s because there are multiple characters that are supposed to be read by computer. Then the next value will be after name percentage. So percentage is of float. So here %f for float, that is format specification, and this double quote over, then using comma. Okay, we are going to write ampersand roll number. Here roll number, we are supposed to write whatever name we have defined while creating that variable, not this one. Okay, so roll underscore number, comma, second one ampersand, second one is grade, third one is name, and for name only name. Since it is having sequence of character, we are not writing ampersand here, that we have discussed earlier. And then percentage, and percentage again it is float value, so ampersand percentage. Now here let's see what will happen here. In output, user is supposed to get this statement first as it is. Okay, okay, and after that user is starting to enter different values. For example, roll number 50, then space he is giving grade, for example A, space name, if he is going to type yes. Okay, that is in the limit of 30 characters. Okay, if he is typing more than 30, then first 30 only will be stored. Then space value of percentage value, for example 77 he is giving. Okay, and he is pressing enter. Okay, now here these four values are now stored in these four variables. Okay, now it is time to get the output. Now here we have created one statement, that is roll number this with name this, okay, has secured this much percentage. So here wherever we have used format specification, there we are supposed to give some value, percentage, and grade percent C. Okay, so we have used four different format specification. So first one, roll number percent D. So percent D, here we want to show value which is stored in roll number variable. So we are giving here roll underscore number, comma. Second value is his name. Okay, so name is stored in name variable only. So we are writing here name, comma. The third value that we are supposed to show is percentage. Okay, so the percentage variable name is percentage. Same we are writing, comma. The fourth value is percent C, that is for grade. Okay, so for grade we are giving variable name as grade only. This is all, semicolon. Okay, so after this statement we are going to get output like this. Okay, this statement will give us this output. This is the statement and output will be like this. So in place of first percent D we are getting value of roll number, then percent S his name, then percent F, that is percentage secured by him, and the last one is grade percent C. There we are supposed to get grade A. Okay, after saving and compiling this file. So this is how we can use read mixed data in the program. Now this table, you can see there is data type and corresponding character for format specification. When it is decimal integer, that is when we use data type integer, at that time percent %d. When it is character, then percent %c. When it is floating point value, percent %f, percent %e, that is when we want to read or give output in exponential form, or percent %g. Then reading a string, okay, that is another form of character wherein multiple characters using array we are using, at that time percent %s. Then reading an unsigned integer, percent %u. Short integer, percent %h. Long integer, percent %ld. This is small l. For double, small l and f. And for long double, it is capital L. Okay, so this is the table that shows which character format specification is used when using different data types in our program. Now output function, earlier we have seen getc, etc. functions. Now for input, now for output, same way inbuilt functions are there, that is, this is put character. Okay, get c was inbuilt input function. This is put character. Okay, this is put s, that is put string, and printf that we have used. Okay, so these all are used for output purpose. This is one program to show the use of that put character function, inbuilt function. So here put character display only one single character. So here this program, after main we are going to discuss character data type, grade is variable name that we have used, then printf, enter your grade. So user will get this on his screen, and then he is supposed to enter some character. Okay, for example a, b, c, etc. Then we are going to read that character. Okay, and store it in this variable grade. So grade is equal to get character and parenthesis. So This function will read this character that is typed by user in output screen, that is called terminal screen, and the character that is given by user is now stored in variable grade. Now it's time to show this whatever is stored in this grade variable in output. So printf your grade is okay. So as it is, this text will be shown in output. Then now to show or to get output, we are using put character, that is, and in parenthesis name of variable that is having that value, okay, that is grade variable. Then this is printf slash n, okay, for line break. So after grade there is a period sign and we will have a line break. You will get output like this is, we have compiled this program. For example, name of this program is 9-5.c dot forward slash a dot out, that is for generating output. Then this is the first statement, enter your grade, okay, this one, enter your grade. This is enter your grade, this statement is here. Then user is typing here a, okay. So you can see this, the input given by user is in second line, because after enter your grade you have used backslash n, so it will give one line break, and user's input will be in the next line. Now this a is entered by user, and now using this function grade is equal to get character, we have given this value to grade variable, and now using this printf your grade is, so you are getting it here, your grade is, okay. And since there is no slash n, so the next output, this one, will be in this same line, okay. So your grade is, and then using this put character we have shown value of grade variable here, that is a, that is passed by user. And this is period sign, okay, this period sign you are getting here, and this is slash n, so line break. That means in terminal again it is ready for getting new command from you in next line. This is put as, that is for string. So earlier put character function we have used to show only single character, that is grade in output. Now string is, as we know, sequence of characters, so there are multiple characters. To use multiple character in in any variable we use same data type, that is character, but we are using array here. So let's see this program. This is main function. After that, in scope of main function we have created one variable, that is state, and given maximum size of this array is 20, and character is data type, okay. Then the next statement, that is enter your state name and slash n. So enter your state name, output user is getting here, and after the slash n, that means now user terminal is waiting for user's input, and user has type Gujarat, okay. Because of this slash n, that Gujarat is in next line. Then we are supposed to read this value Gujarat, okay, and we are assigning this value Gujarat to variable state. So here we are reading this value from terminal. So the function is input function, that is get string, and in parenthesis name of variable where we are storing this value, that is state, okay. Now we have some value in state variable, and now we are supposed to show it in output. So printf statement, your state name is, your state name is, okay, and here we are not using slash n, so the next output will be in same line here. So this is put as, that is for output, inbuilt output function put as, and in parenthesis name of variable, name of variable. So here whatever name is stored in state variable that we will get here, that is Gujarat. This is use of put s, This we have already seen in mixed uh, data reading. Okay, so we are skipping this. Okay, let's see that again. That screen I am showing you. This is printf control string variable 1 2 3 etc. So here we have already used that. In scanf multiple values we are reading, and in printf multiple values we are giving in output. Okay, so already we have seen this. This is data type and corresponding character. Most of them we have already seen. Okay, here the new one is long double. Okay, earlier in long only percent capital F was there, capital L was there. Now here in long double capital LF is there. Okay, and this is for octal. Okay, this is percent O. This is for hexadecimal. This is percent X. Now here, if you want to format our output, for that we can use an integer value before format specification. Okay, so here in this program, this is one small program to show that. So number, we are storing value 1 2 3 4 in that variable, and this is of integer data type. And now we are printing this number in different form. This is percent %d as it is original. So here we are getting 1 2 3 4 same way. Here percent 8d. Okay, so it is giving you space before starting this number, since it is having less than 8 numbers. This is minus 8d. Okay, so 8d, that is, it will start with the left side. There are 8 total spaces. So first of all 6 it will fill from the right, and then here 2 spaces are there, that is 7th and 8th. Okay, but since this number is not having 6 digits, so we are having 2 spaces and 1 2 3 4 here. This is minus 8d, so it will leave space on right hand side. Okay, so here we are getting that space. This is percent 2d. So again this will give same output. This is percent 08d. So it will fill all blank spaces with zeros. Okay, on left hand side, and give 8 digit number, that is 00001234.